guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a mini giveaway today. When you're watching this, I will probably be in Mexico, but I wanted to post it because I'm going to give you guys 2 weeks to enter, and I want to, it's not even a big giveaway, you guys, honestly. I had some stuff set aside to give away to you guys, and I was going to do it over Christmas, and then Christmas got really hectic and busy. Then I was like, okay, maybe I'll wait till the spring. But then I'm like, you know what? I don't want to wait till the spring. I'm hoping that I can do this little mini giveaway here in January, and then maybe do another giveaway sometime in the spring or summer. So that's what I'm going to do. So it's a small giveaway. There's some luxury products in here. And you know, some things that I really love, and yeah, so I'm gonna just dive in to what I'm going to give you guys. So first off, I want to show you guys, I'm giving you guys a romance novel. I love to read. It's just something that I love to do as a relaxation type of thing. I've always loved to read as a kid, even now. I try to read about 20 books a year. With my busy schedule at work and personal life, I try to fit in reading where I can. So I did include a trashy romance novel, because I think that even though they can be cheesy, they're kind of fun to read. So I'm including a romance novel book. I'm including a double set of the Ardell Wispies, I think they are. Yes, these are my favorite fall slash. So it comes with a duo glue and a little applicator that you see here. On one end you can use it to tap on the lash, and the other end you can use it as tweezers to apply the lash. So basically everything you need in here is a kit, and you get 2 sets of lashes, which is great. Ardell's are my favorite lashes to use for falsies. What else do we have here? Oh, I have a Nivea Pearly Shine Caring Lip Balm. In the wintertime, you guys, I'm always wearing lip balm. Nivea has been one of my favorites so far. Their mint and minerals, their honey something, I can't remember what it's called. And then this one is nice when you're going out and you want like a sheen to your lips. You can definitely use this as well. I find that their formula is really good because it's very soft and it doesn't dry out your lips where other balms do. So Nivea has been a favorite of mine for when it comes to balms. So I'm including one of those. I'm also including what is this, an ounce? Oh, just over an ounce, so like an ounce and a bit of the bio oil. A lot of people love it. I love it. I have a big jar of this that I use myself. This is great for any scars or any stretch marks. If you guys are, you know, trying to reduce any scarring or stretch marks, this is a great option. So I'm including a little travel size of that to give you guys to try out. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, okay. So I have 2 pieces of jewelry that I'm also providing as well. This is a set of dangly earrings. I'm just going to try and show them to you. So I don't know if you guys can tell. They're actually pink little crystals in them. So they're dangly, but they're pink crystals. These are beautiful. I have something similar to these, and I love using these for, you know, special occasions. And I do use my set quite often when I do go out. So I'm including a set of these. I don't know if you guys can tell, the crystals are on the pinkish side. So I have included this as well. And then I have a cute little necklace that's got a butterfly on it. I'm just going to show you guys here. So it's a necklace that's adjustable. So it's got adjustable ringlets. I'm going to put it on the last one just so you can see. So you have the adjustable ringlets, and it is a little butterfly. I actually have one of these in like a rosy gold type. This I think is in silver. So I'm giving you guys the silver version of the necklace that I have. I love using these in the summertime. All year round you can use them, but I mainly use my chains and my jewelry in the summer, because in the winter I don't use as much jewelry for some reason. I don't know why. I have no idea why. So I'm including one of these in the giveaway. I'm also including a Arbonne Pure Safe Beneficial RE9 Advanced Skincare trial set. I've used one of these trial sets before. I want to give, I got 2 of them, so I used one and I kept one for the giveaway. So it comes with a whole bunch of different products. You have the Soothing Facial Cleanser, the Rejuvenating Toner, the Intensive Eye Renewal Serum, or no, sorry, the Intensive Renewal Serum, this one's for the face. Then you have the Corrective Eye Cream, and the Restorative Cream, and the Night Repair Cream. Out of all of these, the Night Repair Cream is my favorite, but I am giving you the trial size so you guys can try all of them. If you do end up interested in any Arbonne, please let me know and I can refer you to my Arbonne representative. I usually purchase the Arbonne protein powder, which you've seen a review on my channel before, and she does send me these now and then when I make a purchase, and last time I received 2, so I saved one for you guys so that you can try them out. Okay, so I also have a nail polish. This is the Kylie for Sinful Colors. So it is I want to say it's like a silvery nail polish. It's called Cafe Latte, and it's like, I can't even describe it. My lighting right now sucks, you guys, because I'm filming at night. But it's basically like a bronze glittery polish. I think I had two or three of these, and I still have a backup of this one. This is like one of my favorite polishes. This is one of the polishes I will actually go through completely and finish, because in the summertime, this is fantastic on the nails when the sun hits it. So I'm giving you guys one of those to try. And then here is a little Sephora pouch filled with goodies. I'm going to open and show you. You are also getting the pouch with the goodies inside as well. So as I open this up, I'm going to just pull things out and show you guys what you're getting. So here are some Huda Beauty lashes. These are the Lana number 10s. They're nice, big, and fluffy. I don't know if you guys can see. Very voluminous. Beautiful lashes. They are quite expensive. They range, I think, to about $30. So these are gorgeous. I'm giving you guys this pair. You're also getting a MAC lipstick in Bronze Shimmer, and that's what it looks like. See? Brand new, not touched. And do you guys notice a theme here? I think the theme is like summer, because right now it's wintertime and I'm feeling really like, you know, the sun blues, that kind of thing. Yeah, anyways, moving on. I'm also giving you guys another Arbonne trial set. This has got some of the Arbonne eyeshadows in here for you guys to try. It also comes with the Arbonne Color Last Hair Serum, a makeup primer, and a Arbonne mascara. So I'm giving you guys that as well to try. Because I've tried all this stuff before in previous samples. So whatever new I get that I know I've tried already, and I know, you know, if someone else might like it. The good thing about Arbonne is that their products are more on the natural side with no chemicals in them. So I'm giving you guys the opportunity to try them in case you guys are interested. You have that option. I have a MAC lip conditioner. This is just a regular lip conditioner. It's a full tube, and it's a clear conditioner, basically like a balm in a tube form. So balm is very important to me. I like to really hydrate my lips in the winter and in the summer, so I'm giving you guys a full size of that. This one I like to use when I'm makeup prepping, and this one I like to use if I'm out and about and I just don't have time to apply any lip product. This one will give me a sheen but still hydrate my lips, whereas this one is just clear. It's good for prepping the lips before you apply any, you know, liquid lipstick, that kind of stuff. Oh, I have a 1 ounce size of the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. This stuff is fantastic. I do have another bottle of this myself that I'm using right now. It's a peel-off mask, but does not hurt. So keep that in mind. It's not one of those really painful peel-off masks. This will get out all the gunk off your skin. It will take off any dead skin layers. I like it because it's gentle enough, but it still pulls off the dead skin when you needed to pull it off. So I'm giving you guys a 1 ounce size to try. I really do like it. I think you guys would like it too. So I'm including that. And I'm also including a Kylie Jenner lip gloss in the shade Cupcake. I'm not opening it up. It's sealed. I just don't have the box for it anymore. So I just sealed it to make sure that it doesn't open. And yes, this is a vintage Kylie Jenner product. I do pick up her products off of her website directly, so it is real, in case any of you are wondering. Cupcake is a beautiful color. I just find that for me, Her lip glosses, I love them, especially the ones that have the glitter. This one doesn't have a glitter, and I have so many of them. I won't finish them all. So I'm sharing the love with you guys. So here's Cupcake. I'm going to be including as well. And I'm also including a Marc Jacobs travel size lip gloss in the shade. What is this called? Changes. Changes. This is the enamored lip gloss. So it is a travel size. I'm including this because it is a bronzy, glittery color. I have one similar to this that is by Marc Jacobs as well, and I do love their formula. So their formula is my favorite, one of my favorite. I think it's probably my top favorite gloss formula to date. And Buxom is my next one, but the Marc Jacobs is my top, and I want you guys to try out the formula because it is fantastic. And then, lastly, I'm including a blush. I hope to God this does not break in travel, but I'm going to show you guys what the blush looks like. It's a really, really hot pink blush. So that's what it looks like. Very beautiful, very summery. You get a mirror. This is by NYX. NYX products are another one of my favorites, and I am going to be including that as well. Plus, it comes with the pouch that I was showing you guys. And yeah, that is what I'm including in this giveaway. So you guys get a lot of nice high-end stuff, some jewelry, some reading material, all that great stuff. So now, how do you enter, you might ask? Well, let me tell you right now. This is my giveaway rules, you guys, and keep in mind, these rules are solid. I legitimately go through every single submission. It takes me a few days to go through, but I go through every single submission. I make sure everyone's entry is valid. So, giveaway rule number 1. You must be subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed, I will know because I do check whoever enters. I do make sure that they are subscribed. 2. You must be following me on Instagram. And I will provide you my Instagram link in the bottom bar. So, make sure that you head on over to my Instagram and definitely click follow. 3, you must comment down below your Instagram name. So, that's how I'm going to contact you. So if you win, I need to know your Instagram name so that I can reach out to you on Instagram in your on your messages. So make sure you comment down below after you've subscribed to my channel and you followed me on Instagram. Comment down below on this video your Instagram name, and that means you will be submitted for this giveaway. If you want a bonus entry, then like this video. Good? Are we good? So, top 3 rules. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, comment your Instagram handle down below, and for a bonus entry, like the video. Sounds good? I'm going to keep this giveaway open, probably until I get back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post this. Actually, you know what? I'm going to post this on January 11th. That will be Friday, January 11th, right before I go away on vacation. I'm going to keep it open until, let's do 2 weeks. So I'm going to keep it open until 11:59 p.m. January 25th. So you have until 11:59 p.m. January 25th to enter. And that will be my first giveaway of the year. This giveaway is a small giveaway, you guys. Nothing huge. Just a thank you to all of my supporters here on YouTube that have supported me through some ups and downs, especially on, you know, times of the year when I wasn't that motivated to post anything. I want to thank all of you. This is just my way of thanking you guys for just always, you know, watching, commenting when you have questions and all that great stuff. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you, you follow the rules to enter, and believe me, I check. So don't mistake yourself. And good luck to you all on this giveaway. I wish you all a happy new year, and all the best of luck to you guys in the giveaway. And stay tuned because there will be more giveaways to come this year. So awesome. Good luck, everyone. Have a great one, and we'll talk soon. Bye. Mwah.